Oh, crikey, that's heavier. Well, g'day. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Stuart Chignell, and if you already knew that, welcome back. Today we're going to be continuing with making a medieval gold pan, in fact 2 medieval gold pans. So let's just start chopping. Saw the video I did where I was making the restoring the bowl adze, and you're wondering why the handle was so short. This is why, because it's got to get right in there, and if it's any longer it hits the other side of the workpiece. Probably drill another hole there and put another block in, but that would mean, you know, stopping. That's better. Alright, that's it. Oh bum, that's slipping. When you do that, it's very important you close your eyes. Can't tell you the number of times I forgot to do that. When I did these other holes, this log was green, a bit harder, a bit easier to drill. There we go. Oh no. Get serious. Up. The snail, which is a little screw bit on the end, isn't biting into the wood, and so it's not pulling the blade down to cut. It's times like this. I'm tempted to pull out the drill, the electric drill. Problem is, a lot of drills aren't very good at digging big holes through hard wood like this. I think it's still cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a bit bars out. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think it's going down. Crap. The lesson here is drill the bloody holes when the wood's green. Ah! Oh. Forgot to close my eyes. Oh. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Is that through? Oh, it might be. It is. Yeah, baby. Yeah, that hole might be a bit small. If I can get it out of there. I probably should have done this first. Now, I have no idea about the condition of these tools. It's been a long time since I've used them. So I'm hoping they're just going to need a touch-up. Now, I'm not using many Japanese tools here. In fact, I think I only used one Japanese tool. But these are a shoemaker's carving tool from France. But they're used very similar to the Japanese traditional planes in the way that they carve. And with the adze, because we're coming in from the top, all these little imperfections where I haven't got it smooth, they're all facing the wrong way. These would catch, because the lips on this side, they're going to catch gold on the outside of the pan. So if gold got past them, it wouldn't get back, which is exactly the opposite of what we want. So what I want to do is smooth everything down, remove all those lips that are going the wrong way, Funny thing is, once I've smoothed this off, I'm going to have to rough it up, because we don't want the gold to be slipping out. I'm going to have a think about the pattern of the riffles, the design of the riffles, location of the riffles, the depth of the riffles. But the control you got over this thing with such a small blade, such a big handle, and the T-piece helps too. Oh, bum. Well, there's another video to do. I'm gonna make a new handle. Bugger. Well, that seems like a really good place to stop and finish the video here. And of course, now I want to put some sort of riffle back in. Now, the natural surface of the wood is probably going to work as a really good surface to hold the gold. The fibers of the wood sticking out from the surface a little bit microscopically will have a lot of friction, and they'll help hold the gold. But a few riffles cut into the walls will probably help. And this is where I'd like your input. Because the D.R. Metallica, the book that I'm working off for this series on medieval mining, it's got pictures of a whole bunch of pans, but only one of them you can see some sort of internal pattern that would correspond with riffles. Now, I'm thinking that we probably want riffles of different sizes on different sides of the pan. But so far, the only one I've got is this divot down the bottom, which I'm probably going to steepen the walls of it with a carving chisel to make it more of a lip. But I'd really like your input on the sides, like what sort of grooves we should cut, how far apart, how deep, angles, all that sort of jazz. And that'll be the first thing we'll be doing in the next video. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe so you know when it comes out. But also, if right now, you can put your comments down below to give me your thoughts on the riffles, because yeah, the 16th century book I'm working from is not very helpful. So hope you enjoyed that, hope it's useful, and I'll see you in the next video.